students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I am Sridevi Kanke. I am going to teach you English subject of grade 3rd standard. Okay students, so in the first lesson we have completed Robbie's Rail on the Road. Correct students? So today we are going to start with a new lesson. Okay, our lesson name is Walking on the Moon. Okay, before starting up the lesson, I will ask you a simple question to you all. Okay students, when now you are small, when you become big, when you grow up, so what you will become? You have been thought something ki I will be as I grow up, I will become doctor, teacher, a police, or navy officer, astronaut, isn't it? You have many dreams, isn't it? When you sleep, you come across something dreamy in your dream, correct? You will dream or not? Yes, of course. Even I too dream in my dream that I will become an astronaut, or I will become a police, or I will become a doctor, isn't it? So I have become teacher. In my dream, I was always thinking about to become something to teach, to give knowledge. So for this dream, what I have become? I have worked hard, I have studied, and I have come to this level, isn't it? So you have some dreams when you grow up, when you become big, when you elder. So the same, our lesson is similar to that only. So one boy, okay, one boy name is Neil. When he was always dreaming. He was dreaming something. Always his dream like green trees are there. He was like traveling in the sky. So many things he was dreaming. So as he was flying, so he was dreaming about that. So for this dream, what hard work he did. So we will see in this lesson. Okay students, are you all ready? Yes. So of course, so whenever I am reading, just you keep your finger in a canopy book. Okay, page number 9. Everybody open your canopy book, page number 9, lesson number 2, Walking on the Moon. So what do you want to when you grow up? Yes, just now I have asked you some question that when you grow up, you will have thought something. When I grow up, I will become like this, I will become scientist, I will become police, I will work to, I will become astronaut, I will become teacher, or a singer, dancer, music, isn't it? So many different thoughts you may be having in your dreams. So the same we are in this lesson we are going to discuss. So let us read about a boy who dreamed of flying. In this lesson we are going to read about a boy. He was always thinking that of flying only. See how far his dreams and hard work took him. So always he was thinking to flying only. So for this flying, what has the student, that boy was, what he did hard work, and this hard work and dedication he took somewhere else only. So let us see that journey. A little boy called Neil. Okay, what we are talking about, that boy, no, that boy name is Neil, N-E-I-L. Neil had a lovely dream. So he was a boy, he was very small boy, okay. That boy, he was lovely dream, okay, nice dream. When you are all sleeping, no, that time you have nice dream. You always be thinking that my birthday will be grand, we will celebrate, you will get nice gifts, isn't it? Or you get a surprise dresses, correct, or a bicycle, anything. So the boy Neil, he has a lovely dream. What in his dream? We will see. In his dream, what was there? He flew like a bird. In his dream, what he was dreaming? He was dreaming that he was flying himself like a bird. Birds, how it fly in the sky? Very freely, isn't it? In the sky. So he was saying thing. He saw in his dream, what he was seeing? he saw blue rivers. As he was flying like a bird from upper, he was seeing that river is in which color? Blue color. So blue rivers he is seeing, and green fields. Green field. Now when you are have you ever ride on aeroplane, students? Yes, somebody you might be. So from upper side, when you see the whatever down it is there, it looks very small, isn't it? Nice scenery, you can see it. What, as in the same, Neil was dreaming like a bird, and then he can see down rivers, blue rivers and green field, means the farmers, agriculture. Which color? Yes, all greenery, like trees, farming, isn't it? What else he was dreaming? Huge mountains. What he was seeing? Big. Huge means big. Mountains and narrow valleys. What he was seeing? He was seeing that, saw that blue rivers, green fields, huge mountains, narrow valleys. The trees, the houses and the people and the cars all looked very small from the sky. And what he was seeing? The houses and the people, what were all down, and the cars, all are looking very small from the sky, isn't it? When you climb that 4th floor or 5th floor in a building, on a building, you stand there and you can see downside how it all looks very small, isn't it? We all look small like ants. So as he was dreaming like he was flying like a bird, from that he can see all that blue rivers he was seeing, that green fields, huge mountains, narrow valleys, trees, houses, people and the cars all looked like small from the sky. Neil Armstrong, the full name is the boy, what we are calling Neil, no? The boy full name is Neil Armstrong, was born on August 5. What was the name of the boy, student? Yes, Neil Armstrong. You heard about this name? Yes, the famous astronaut. He was the first person who stepped in the space. Correct. So Neil Armstrong, when he was born, his birthday on August month, 5th date in the year 1930. 1930, 5th August, he was born. In Ohio. Place name is Ohio. He was the oldest of three children. So all in his family, Neil Armstrong was the big one. He is the oldest one. So how many are there? All together 3 are there. Among 3, Neil Armstrong was the oldest one. Neil loved aeroplanes. So what he was, we have already hobbies. We like something. I like ice cream, or like you something. No, like Neil Armstrong also always he loved aeroplanes, cars, vehicles. No, so Neil loved aeroplanes. What he loved? Aeroplanes. He got his love for flying from his father. This love to aeroplanes, because as his father, okay, he got from the father only, as his father also loved for flying. So he got his love for flying from his father, as father also doing the same thing. Neil and his father had gone to see some air races. So both father and son, okay, dear students, father and Neil is a son, both they went, means they went to see some air races. Now a race means what, students? Here a race, you have running race, isn't it? Jumping race, frog race, like that. Air race means in the sky aeroplanes will have a race among themselves. So air race. The father and Neil went to see these air races when he was very little. When he was small, his father took him to see the air races. That was when the little boy decided that all he wanted to do so was to fly. So that time he got love about the aeroplanes. So he saw now how the air races were there. So that time he was decided he was to fly. Flying was all he could think, always thinking about the fly. And when he was sleeping, when he was awake, that time. In his dreams and when he was awake, always thinking about flying only, students. Neil was in his dream as he was sleeping, he was like a flying only, he was thinking about, he was dreaming about that only. When he was awake also, when he got up from the sleep, that time also he was dreaming about the flying only. When Neil was 6 years old, students, now how many years old now? 6 years. When he was 6 years old, his father took him on a ride in a small plane for the first time. So when he was 6 years old, what his father took him on a ride on a plane. The plane could carry only about 12 people. That plane, how many people can sit in that? 12 people. In that, Neil and his father was riding on that. So his was the first time he was riding. It was noisy. What it was? The plane before it was it was like like noisy it will come. So now turn the page, students. Now second page we are going to, that is page number 10. Bumpy. It was bumpy, B-U-M-P-Y, bumpy ride, but Neil loved it. Now what he was telling, student, now the aeroplane, it was like noisy. Okay, the plane, it was very noisy and bumpy, students. Here new word. What is bumpy? Bumpy means a ride that is uncomfortable because you moved about a lot. A bumpy means a tough time, or it is very uncomfortable. You are sitting on first time, you have something scariness, isn't it? So he was uncomfortable, but he loved it. But Neil loved it. It was noisy, it was bumpy, but Neil loved it. As Neil grew older, when he was from 6 years old, he was day by day was growing up. He was become big, older. He collected lots of magazines. What he was collected? He was collecting the magazines on flying. Always thinking about the flying only, no? So what he was, as he was becoming day by day older, he was collecting magazines on flying. He also made many model aeroplanes. He used to make aeroplane models. When he was 11, now when he was 6 years, now he was become now when he was in 11 years, Neil asked his parents if he could take flying lessons for $9 an hour. So now when he was 11 years old, then he asked his parents to give about $9. Now say dollars means what? Money. Money in America, units of money used in America. In America, in our India, what we say for money? Rupees, isn't it? Like in America, they use dollars. Okay, units of money. Dollars, $9 an hour. An hour means 1 hour. An hour, how many? $9. He would take the flying lessons. Flying lessons. His parents said yes. What was the reply from the parents? They said okay. They said okay, yes. But he could have to work and earn the money himself. So what he has to do? He want money, $9. So what he want to do? He was to work hard. He want to become something. We have to do work hard. Isn't it? Will not get anything from the upper side from easily. We should work hard to get something. So he was work hard to earn the money himself. All Neil wanted to do was to learn to fly. Why he was working hard? Why, students? He want to fly. He want to learn the lessons. How to flying lessons he want. So for that he want money. So for that he was earning the money. He started to do the work. He worked hard and made the money he needed. What he did? He did work. He started working and he made the money. How much he wanted, that much money he earned. On his 16th birthday, then later on 16 years, when he was 16 years old, that time he got pilot's license. Okay, pilot means what, student? Here pilot, P-I-L-O-T, pilot who run the aeroplanes, okay, who drive the aeroplanes. So that person is called pilot. Now who run the buses? What he call? Bus driver, isn't it? Car driver. Like that, pilot's driver is there. So we call it as pilot. Aeroplanes who run, okay, that is called pilot. So when he was 16 years old, that time he got license to run an aeroplane. So 16 years is very small, isn't it, students? Yes. In many countries, young people are not even allowed to drive a car at 16 years. At 16 years is very small. It's a teenage. That on that age, government doesn't give any permission to drive a car even in outer countries also. But here, our Neil Armstrong, he got license to drive an airplane. Okay. Neil was 19 years old. When he was 19 years old, when he became a pilot in the Navy when he was 19, that time he become pilot in the Navy forces. Okay, Navy forces. Later he joined the Air Force. Now first at 19 years, when he was 19 years old, that time he become a pilot in the Navy. Then later on, like years and years, then he joined the Air Force. And become the test pilot. Then what he become? He become the test pilot. Who was testing person will be there, no? Like test pilot. He flew some of the fastest aeroplanes in the world. So what he become? He flew the fastest aeroplanes, and that also he write that in the world. Soon he was selected and trained to become an astronaut. Yes, what is astronaut, student? Yes, a person who travels to space, upper or atmosphere is there, sky is there, on that upper space, that space. Soon he was selected, that person, and trained to become an astronaut. In July 1969, Neil was chosen to lead the crew, C-R-E-W, crew of the spaceship. In the year 1969, July month, Neil Armstrong was chosen as to lead the crew. Crew means what, student? Here a group of people, okay, a group of people who work on an aircraft or a ship and so on. A crew means a group of people, okay, that crew. So Neil was chosen, he was selected to lead the group of people, that crew of the spaceship. Astronaut means what, student? Who work on a spaceship, isn't it? Apollo 11, A-P-O-L-L-O, Apollo 11. Under this spaceship, he was trained, he was selected in a group of people to lead the spaceship Apollo 11. They were going to the moon. They were going to the moon. Where they were traveling? They were all about the moon. On July 21st, Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon. In July 21st, on July 21st, Neil Armstrong was the first person who stepped on this that moon, walking on the moon. He called the first step. He took a gained leap. Now here is a new word. Gained leap means what? Important step. Okay, important or progress of the country, isn't it? For the world, very important step it was. So for the world, from the moon, Neil could see the tiny earth hanging in the sky. From when he was the first person to keeping first step on the moon, from the moon he was seeing all the things. As our earth is a big planet, isn't it? Our earth also, it is looking very small to Neil Armstrong. He can see everything around the space, very small things, isn't it? Neil could see the tiny earth. He can see that from moon, he can see our earth as a tiny means very small. He can see our earth hanging in the sky. It was looking like something is hanging in the sky. His dream came true that day. So when he took the first step in the sky on the spaceship, so that time his dream from the childhood, from what was dreaming, that day the dream came true. That dream to become true. So much hard work he did. That day the dream came true in front of him. Armstrong was thinking about, Neil Armstrong was thinking about to fly in the sky, isn't it? He was like flying like a bird, isn't it? The last what he's become, he was traveled the space. He took the first step on the moon. Then what he was seeing everything, he was like a space, isn't it? He was like flying like a bird, and everything he looked very small, isn't it? Even earth also, earth is looking, he was seeing, the earth is something hanging, tiny earth hanging in the sky. He can see all tiny things, isn't it? So his dream came true that day. So much hard work. So children, when you become something in your life, maybe you having a dream like you want to become scientist, you maybe become the physician, you may be the doctor, police, navy officer, air forces, teacher or a dancer. You having so many dreams you might be, isn't it? Politician. So what you want to become, it's up to you. But the important thing is that you should work hard, the dream should come true. So what you need to do? You have to work hard on that. If you only dreaming and then what, it is never it will come true. You have to work hard. You want to something, you have aim, you have goal in your life, you have to work hard. Then only you will be success in your life as Neil Armstrong. Is it a student? So we will go through the audiovisual about this lesson. So before that, I want to show you who is. See, he is the person, Neil Armstrong. So this is the moon. See, can you see this moon planet? Can you see this, where he was see, in the first person he was took first step on the moon. He kept his country's flag on that planet, walking on the moon. See, the Apollo 11 mission in July 1969, the first men landed on the earth, Neil Armstrong and the Buzz Aldrin. Their rocket took off from Earth on 16 July 1969. It took about 4 days for it to reach the moon and land there. See here, student, the astronauts traveling to the moon who were traveling in that spaceship, in the rocket. That first one is Neil Armstrong, second is Michael Collins, and third one is Buzz Aldrin. These are the 3 persons where he was traveling. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon. He was joined by Buzz Aldrin 20 minutes later. Then after 20 minutes he joined the Buzz Aldrin. The 2 astronauts planted the American flag on the moon. So Neil Armstrong, he born in America, isn't it? So he was planted their country's flag, American flag, on the moon. They collected samples of soil from the moon that they could study back on Earth. The team came back to the Earth on 24th July 1969. In 1969, from the space, from the moon, they came to the Earth on 24th July. So what they have collected on the moon, he has collected some of the soil to study about that. They also left a message for everyone, for anyone else who may land on the moon in the future. So they have given some message, they have left some message to anyone who after him they will land on the moon. So here men from the planet Earth first step foot upon the moon, July 1969 AD. We came in space for all mankind. An astronaut is someone who learns how to travel in a spaceship outside the Earth. Earth from 2 different planets he was going to. This is about Earth. Work with your friend, think of 5 people you know and discuss what they do. Someone may be a teacher, someone may be a doctor. So this is all about. So students, it's all about our lesson, walking on the moon. I hope you have understood, you have enjoyed the lesson. So what you need to do, you have to underline the new words I was shown in the book canopy, isn't it? So learn this. Till then, bye bye.